Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a customer ledger in TallyPrime step by step. A customer ledger is an important part of accounting in TallyPrime. It stores all the details related to your customers, making it easier to record sales, track outstanding balances, manage GST information, and generate customer-wise reports whenever you need them. Whether you're creating a ledger for a new customer or setting up your company records for the first time, the process is very simple. So let's get started. First, open TallyPrime on your computer. Once you're on the gateway of Tally, click on Account Info. After that, click on Ledgers. Once the Ledgers section opens, under Single Ledger, click on Create. On the next screen, first enter the customer name. Then move to the Mailing Details section. Here, enter the customer's name. After that, enter the address. Now select the country. Then choose the state. Next, scroll down to the Tax Registration section. Here, enter the customer's GSTIN number. After entering the GSTIN, go to Set Alter GST Details. By default, it may be set to No. Simply change it to Yes. Once you've entered all the required information, save the ledger. Your customer ledger will now be created successfully. You can now use this ledger while creating sales invoices, recording customer payments, and managing GST transactions in TallyPrime. And that's it. This is how you can create a customer ledger in TallyPrime. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.